Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, friends. Welcome back to my channel. I received a WhatsApp message from one of my friends. He asked me about M7 component. What is that? It is SMD M7. This message from one of my best friend Mansoor Al-Mushaqba. He asked me what is this component. Let's check it. First of all, go to your Chrome browser, even in mobile. If you have Google Chrome, type in the address bar s-manual.com s-manual.com. hit enter. We reached here. In the interface, here is main, car audio, DVD, datasheets, and the second last, that is marking SMD. Click in this marking SMD and now locate M7. M7 in the left column, in the left side, we have to locate the word M. When we will reach at M, then we will move forward to right side. M7. Click on M7. Now it is 2-pin component. One side it have some lines. Let's check it here. M7 code is dedicated for many type of components. SOT23. If you will check it here, it is 5-pin component. No, we don't need this. Then SOT, it is 3-pin transistor. No, it is also 3-pin transistor. Then it is SOD M7, so it is diode 3 to 3, this package style. Then it is SOT 5 to 3. In M7 we have just only one component, that is M7, that is SOT 3 to 3, and its part number, device name is BZX364-B24. It is zener diode. Click on datasheet, download, go to the datasheet. So it says voltage regulator diode. We can download datasheet here. Show in folder. Open it. Now it is opened in Acrobat Reader. It is voltage regulator diode BZX384 series. Total power dissipation 300 milliwatt. This is top view. Pin number 1, that is cathode. The left side where we have the bars on the component, that is pin number 1, that is cathode. The second end, that is anode. Let's check it here. The left side, this side, it is cathode. The other side, it is anode. We said it is BZX B24, BZX 384 B24. Let's locate it here. This is B24. Its marking code is M7. So M7 is BZX 384-B24. Maximum power dissipation P total, that is 300 milliwatt. Forward current, if we connect it in forward condition, it is 250 milliampere. Let's check this table. This is the BZX, then B, and then 3 digits. In our case it is B24, so 24 is here. It is 24 volt regulator. It will regulate the voltage from 23.5 to 24.5. Tolerance with 2% and with 5%. 5% tolerance 22.8 to 25.6 volt. So nominal it is 24 volt zener regulator. So it is 24 volt 300 milliwatt zener diode. Here is its packing style and measurements. SOD 3 to 3 package outline version. Friends, I hope so this video is informative. If it is informative, hit the like button. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.